to part 2 of how to create a property boundary using the parcel data. So if you remember in the first video, we walked through and showed you how to create the property boundary using the parcel data, and today we're going to go through and show you how to walk that property boundary using the mobile app. So you can see we're using the SITECH Office demo project right now, so we need to switch to the correct project. So to do that, we're going to go through and hit our menu, which is these 3 bars on the top left, and then that's going to bring our menu up. So now we can go to projects in the middle of the screen, and you can see at the top I'm set to all projects, so I can see all of the projects that we currently have available. So if you remember, we set it to the SITECH team, so I can filter my projects. I can go to teams, and from all projects I can switch that down to just the projects that are available to the SITECH team, and so that narrows down my search a little bit. So now I'm going to go to SITECH Office, and I want to click activate, and it's going to ask me if I want to continue, and I'll hit yes. And it's going to load my project. And now I can see my property boundary here. And so what I can do is, if I wanted to know exactly where that was, you can see the little blue indicator with the arrow is the little marker for where I am. So as I turn, it shows which direction I'm facing. And so that's kind of how I can follow the line. So I can walk and be able to see where I'm going in reference to the property line. Now this software is used primarily for information purposes. You're not going to lay anything out with this because it's basically information. The accuracy is tied to the accuracy of your cell phone. So in most cases you'll be plus or minus 6 to 10 feet. So it's good to know where you're at and just kind of get an indication of where things are. Really good for status updates and recording progress on a project. And especially if you're in a tree line and don't have any indicators, this will give you a good idea of where you're at on the property boundary. And just a few things to show you in the software. If you go to the Layers tab here, or the Layers menu on the bottom, this is where you can turn on or off a lot of features. Up at the top you have map type, so you can change your available map types. Your overlays, if you click that, that's where you can turn on the parcel data. So if I click done there, then I can see where the actual parcel data looks like versus my project boundary that I created. And you can see here my offline maps are the different parishes that I've downloaded the parcel data for onto my cell phone. And then also down here you can turn on or off different things that you've recorded. So you can see I've got recorded tracks, which is my property boundary. But if I had any other markers or anything else that I had recorded, then I could turn that on or off also. So I went in and turned off my property boundary, and I can go back in and just turn it back on. So just a few things that you can do there in the mobile app. So I hope you find this information useful, and look forward to some more videos that we're going to be putting out, and just really showing you how to utilize this extremely powerful software. Thanks for watching.